This is just overwhelming.
Huge. It's huge. It's massive.
Huge.
Yeah.
There are roughly 800 miles, 900 miles from. Thank you, AJ. Thank you. 804 miles, and it stretches the lower portion of the United States.
It's incredible.
It's massive,
and it's still hitting Houston.
Yeah, you know, the rain isn't quite as heavy in Houston, but it's still there. Right. I mean, until they dry out, they're still going to see continued flooding because at this point they're just at capacity, past capacity.
Right,
you know, so that's the major issue at this point. Still a tropical storm, but it is expected to weaken soon. So we're seeing some improvements. You know, of course, record rainfall already at this point. This beats the previous record that was set back in '78. That was with Storm Amelia that was pushing through for Texas. That was set back in Medina, Texas. 48 inches. That was the old record for rainfall within a storm for the entire country. Now we're seeing that record broken, up to 49 inches of rainfall, just beyond that in Marys Creek, Texas. That is the new record at this point, nearly 50 inches of rain, and more is set to come. This is what we're seeing throughout much of the Houston area. Dayton, Texas, for instance, up to about 46 inches, well beyond that 3-foot mark, inching toward 50 inches for much of the region. So this is, of course, a historical issue at this point as far as the flooding, as we're still seeing that rainfall in place. Slow moving, but this is the thing. It's going to start to make landfall once again because it's currently right over the Gulf. As it starts to make landfall heading into tomorrow, it is going to slowly weaken, and eventually it's going to form into a tropical depression as we head into Thursday. And at that point, it starts to move out of Texas. So for Texas, looking to see some relief, but elsewhere for Louisiana, moving along much of the southeast coast, those showers are going to be widespread and still rather heavy. Eventually, this moves right into the midsection of the country by Sunday, making its way through West Virginia, and we could even see locally some rain showers from that moving into our Sunday forecast as well. Meanwhile, there's another storm that's moving right up the coastline, and this is one that brings clouds to our area already for this evening, and it's going to bring some very strong wind into the area for tomorrow, especially down toward the Cape. We have a wind advisory for the Cape for much of tomorrow. High wind watch moving down toward Nantucket, where wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour are possible. That, of course, is going to have an impact on the surf with the high surf advisory in effect. As early as tonight, looking to see some showers moving onto the south coast. It's mainly the Cape and the islands where we see the best impact of those showers, but elsewhere as we move into the overnight hours, don't be surprised if you see a sprinkle or two trying to extend up toward the Mass Pike. However, the main focus of that rain staying down toward the Cape as we move through tomorrow morning before clearing out for tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures right now in the low to mid 60s. That fall feel out there for sure. Heading into the forecast tonight, dropping into the 50s before topping out in the upper 60s to lower 70s for tomorrow. We will see that sun break through as we head into Friday, but we have to deal with some clouds for tomorrow and again for Thursday, as we do see the chance of a few showers moving through. Kicking off Labor Day weekend on Saturday with sunshine in place. That shower chance on Sunday, but it looks like we will be drying out for Labor Day itself for this upcoming Monday.